Hello and welcome to your channel. Today I would like to talk about the two absolutely necessary accessories that are installed on my R1200RT and I'm really enjoying them. So if you have any RT from 2005 to 2020, please keep watching this video. I have had my X grip installed like this and I was never happy with my installation. But today I'm going to install it the correct way and show you how this little device can change the beauty, practicality of use for your R1200. So let's first go ahead and uninstall this the wrong way of installation and then put back this bolt where it should be, and I need to torque that down as well after. And now let's go ahead and remove these two bolts. These are torque bolts. And it has some Loctite on it as well. Now let's do the same thing for the other side. And here is the fun part. The phone holder bracket specific to any BMW motorcycle. Very neat design. So all we need to do is now to bolt Then I'm going to show you what I'm going to install here. Just making sure that I will later torque these down to the factory specs. Okay, what we have here is a very neat place to mount our accessories if it's a phone charger. And I'm now going to show you what else I'm going to install here. Okay, this is a mirror mount for a regular street bike motorcycle, and it's very cheap. You can buy this off eBay. If you like, you can install two mirrors over here, because R1200RTs has very bad kind of mirrors that many people has some sort of issue with all these mirrors. So if you want, and I have seen these before, that many people go ahead and install auxiliary mirrors on these brackets, and this is a very neat way of doing it. So I can now install this mirror mount over here. And just like that, you have this option now to install a mirror here, auxiliary mirror, because you probably noticed that for your R1200RT you don't have good visibility in terms of rear view mirrors. And also you can use these brackets to install other accessories. Okay, how do you like it? I've always wanted a coffee cup holder on my R1200 because I always go to the gas station to get a coffee, and I always have this problem how to hold my coffee and where to put it. So now I have a retractable coffee cup holder over here with a good setup that everything is properly mounted over here and adjustable as well. I also have the wiring harness for my charger if needed, and it also gives me a USB plug over here in the back. So, and here it is, adjustable, and looks good and very functional and sturdy. So as I said, you can also install mirrors if you want using these holders, or the brackets or extensions or bar extension, whatever you want to call them, but it gives you infinite numbers of possibilities for to install your devices, including your GPS device. And there is also the possibility to install your GPS mount over here, the original BMW Navigator. You can install that bracket over here as well. And okay guys, thanks so much for watching, liking, subscribing, and have a great day and enjoy your R1200 every single day.